Welcome to The Striking Point, a TechShop video series hitting the mark with education, training, and technology.
Readiness monitors are the way a control unit performs automatic diagnostic checks of emission-related systems, and as soon as they run, they report system status as complete or ready. There are two types of monitors. Continuous monitors run immediately every time a vehicle is started. Non-continuous monitors must meet a specific set of parameters before they can run, and it can take multiple drive cycles, even weeks of driving, for some of them to complete. When all monitors complete and no trouble codes have been stored, this means all emission-related systems are in correct working order. Why are they important? Not only can they aid in diagnostics by helping you understand when a problem is occurring, but an incomplete monitor that may typically take weeks to run is an easy way to mask a problem, so beware of this when performing a pre-purchase inspection on a used vehicle. All full-function scan tools and the majority of all basic handheld scan tools allow you to view them, and this is one more way to maximize the use of your scan tool. Thanks for watching The Striking Point from TechShop. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more tool videos, and I'll see you next time.